Hey guys, what's up? It's Melanie. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do something kind of fun with this buffet. It's pretty as is, but it does have some damage. We're missing some veneer. Some other veneer wants to chip off. We've got a little bit of a crack right here. We're going to go ahead and paint it, and we're going to make it pretty, and somebody's going to love it forever. That's the plan. Let's go ahead and give this whole thing a base coat of Cowgirl Coral. If you're interested in any of the products I use in this video, I have them all. You can get them at my store in Albuquerque, New Mexico, or you can always hit up my website at windmillvintagedesigns.com. I lost my mom about a year ago. It was right before Thanksgiving last year. I don't remember much about it. Thanksgiving. I was kind of in shock and really just kind of out of it. Now I'm going to take a little bit of black velvet and my golden ticket, and I'm going to mix those up. I was talking with my friend Sheila about Thanksgiving and traditions and how different families do different things. Our family was just very traditional in the sense that we didn't do anything special, but there was turkey and just like the normal stuff. She was telling me that how she used to go crazy to make it just an experience. This is the brayer that you usually use to apply paint or ink to stamps. The other day I was watching, and Dion from the Turquoise Iris used it to apply paint to her furniture, and I thought, oh my God, that's genius. I have to try it. While that's still wet, I'm going to go ahead and go in with Carnival Red, and I'm going to blend that up nice and good. I thought I'd give it a try with a little bit of a spin on it. I hope you guys enjoy it. I went to the store and got some pie crust. This stamp is called Kindest Regards, made by IOD, and we're going to use it to try to create something kind of cool. Now I'm going to give it a little mist with my misting bottle, and I'm going to take this towel right here, this one, and I'm going to use this brush to get a different look. We're going to take it and we'll pull it back, and what it does is it kind of pulls off a bit of your top layer, revealing what's underneath, and yeah, it just gives you a cool effect. I'm going to do the rest of this piece in the exact same manner. I know that I haven't been who I was. I am supposed to be the one you can trust. I feel so useless because I let you down. I used 1 egg and a splash of water to make an egg wash. Now I'm going to go ahead and start working with my tinfoil. As I said before, this veneer is really pulling off this drawer. I could try to mend it. I could try to glue it down. I could try to put some wood putty, but honestly, it's just too much. So let's go ahead and go with it. I'm going to pull off everything that's loose, and we're going to use it as part of the unique and coolness of this piece. I've been so selfish and made you believe that you're not good enough, but you're all I need. I take you places that you've never been. I would give you the world if you let. I sprayed my aluminum foil with a non-stick cooking spray. I swear I'll try my best to always be there. And I want you to know
Lightly dusting my molds with cornstarch, that way nothing sticks to them. That I have the whole body of the piece done, I'm going to go ahead and do the top in the same way. I'm going to start wrapping my strips of stamped pie crust around my cornucopia. I'm using my egg wash, kind of like a glue, so that each strip will hook together and stay. That's the hope. Go ahead and seal my entire piece with 2 coats of Big Top.
I feel so useless 'cause I let you down. I hope there's some way I can make it alright, 'cause I know that you deserve much more than this. If you give me one more chance, I swear I'll try my best to always.
Now let's put our little birds and flowers and leaves and everything on there, again using that egg wash as a glue. Now, because I have a sealer on here, it's not necessary for me to use clear wax. So I can go ahead and just grab my black and do some shading and just kind of make it the way that I want to.
I've been so selfish and made you believe that you're not good.
I'm going to use this stamp here to just add a little bit more to my piece. Give it a little bit more interest. I'll put the link in the comments below.
If you let me try again, yeah, just give me one more chance. I swear I'll try my best to always be there. And I want you to know that I'm lost without you. I'm no without you. I hope I can try.
I'm going to be very gentle and try to get that tinfoil out of there. As you can see, it's kind of going to crumble a little bit. Very disappointing. But it was still a really fun project. I did it with pie crust because I wanted everything to show up. If I would have used bread, it would have expanded and you would have saw nothing. So it was fun. It was an experience. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you guys for watching. This is it. If you have any questions, you know how to find me. Tell me in the comments, what kind of thing did your family do for Thanksgiving? You guys are awesome. This is Melanie.